Hello everyone, welcome to this video session on transmission system. Power transmission is the movement of energy or motion from one place to a location where it is applied to perform a useful work. Power is defined formally as energy per unit time. In the diagram shown, wind turbine is a source of power and this power is transferred to a compressor using belt drive, gearbox and couplings. Therefore, belt drive, gearbox and couplings are together called as a transmission system. Power transmission is broadly classified into mechanical, electrical, hydraulic and pneumatic. Transmission in mechanical engineering is a device interposed between a source of power and the application of it. Most mechanical transmissions function as rotary speed changers between two shafts. A transmission provides controlled application of the power. For example, the term 5-speed transmission refers to simply a gearbox in automobiles that uses gears and gear trains to provide speed and torque conversions from a rotating crankshaft to another device. To connect the shafts, mainly two types of connectors are used. One is flexible and other is rigid. In flexible type of connection, there is a relative velocity between the shaft and connectors due to slip and strain produced in the connectors. But in case of rigid connection, there is no relative velocity between the connector and the shaft. Belt, rope and chain are flexible connectors, whereas gears, brakes, clutches, power screws, couplings are rigid connectors. A belt is a looped strip of flexible material used to mechanically link two or more rotating shafts. A belt drive offers smooth transmission of power between shafts at a considerable distance. Belt drives are used as a source of motion to efficiently transmit power. Power transmission by belt drive is one of the most common and universally used methods in transmission system when two shafts are parallel to each other and has a large gap between them. A belt drive consists of two parallel shafts and a pulley is mounted on each shaft. Pulleys are connected with the belt in tension. A driving pulley is attached to a source of mechanical power, for example, the shaft of an electric motor. The driven pulley is attached to the shaft of rotating machinery, receives the mechanical power from the electric motor so that machinery can perform its function. Positive drive means movement without slip, such as in case of crankshaft and camshaft in the reciprocating engine. In belt drive, there is always possibility of some slipping taking place between the belt and the pulleys, which cause the driven pulley to rotate at a lesser speed, consequently reducing the power transmission. Hence, belt drives are said to be not a positive type of power transmission system. Gears are said to be positive drive because there is no slippage between the input and output. When the belt runs over the pulley, there is always friction which acts in between the pulley surface and the belt surface in opposite direction of motion. The belt transmits power by friction only. For effective transmission, friction between the pulley surface and the belt surface should be as high as possible. The mechanical power or rotary motion is transmitted from the driving pulley to the driven pulley because of the frictional grip that exists between the belt and the pulley surface. The portion of the belt leaving the driven and entering the driver is known as tight side, and a portion of the belt leaving the driver and entering the driven is known as slack side. Also, the portion of the belt which is having less tension is called slack side and the one has high tension is called as tight side. The tensions on the tight and slack sides of the belt depend on angle of contact. The belt drives have to be arranged such that slack side comes above and tight side comes below the pulleys. This arrangement increases angle contact of the belt on the driven side. Based on the direction the belt drives pulley, the belt drives are divided into two types. They are open belt drive and crossed belt drive. An open belt drive is used to rotate the driven pulley in the same direction of driving pulley. In the motion of the belt drive, one side of the pulley will be more tightened as compared to other side. In horizontal drives, tightened side is always kept on the lower side of the two pulleys because the sag of the upper side is slightly increases the angle of folding of the belt on the two pulleys. This arrangement is suitable when the center to center distance of the two shafts is more. Pulley A is driver pulley and pulley B is driven pulley, and the rotation of both A and B is clockwise. The lower portion of the belt is the tight side with tension T1 and the upper side of the belt is the slack side with tension T2 such that T1 is greater than T2. A crossed belt drive is used to rotate driven pulley in the opposite direction of driving pulley. This arrangement is used when two shafts are parallel to each other but they are to be rotated in opposite direction. Driving pulley shaft A is rotated in clockwise direction whereas driven pulley shaft B is rotated in anti-clockwise direction. In case the frictional resistance between the pulley surface and the belt surface is less, there occurs a difference in the relative motion between both the surfaces, which is known as belt slip. Belt slip can be calculated as the difference between the linear speed of the pulley surface and the belt surface. Therefore, slip may be defined as the relative motion between the pulley and the belt in it. This reduces the velocity ratio and this is usually expressed in percentage. Belt slip is caused due to the continuous run of the belt, which may lead to the increase in length of the belt, or due to a decrease in the coefficient of friction in between the two surfaces, or maybe due to the difference in the tension on the tight and slack side. Creep is caused due to the presence of the relative motion of the belt or pulley. It is due to the increased length of the belt. During operation, there is a continuous run of the belt or pulley and there is an alternative contraction and stretching of the belt. Expansion of the belt is on the tight side and contraction is on the slack side. Due to this uneven expansion and contraction of the belt over the pulleys, there will be relative motion of the belt over the pulleys. This phenomenon is called as creep in the belt. Thus, there is a loss of power. Due to creep in the belt, less effective power can be transferred and hence there occurs a decrease in the speed ratio. The ratio between the velocities of driver pulley and driven pulley is known as velocity ratio. Let D1 and D2 be the diameters of the driver pulley and driven pulley, and N1 and N2 be the speed of driver pulley and driven pulley in RPM respectively. Length of the belt that passes over the driver and the driven in 1 minute will be L1 is equal to pi D1 N1 and L2 is equal to pi D2 N2 respectively. Since the lengths are equal, pi D1 N1 is equal to pi D2 N2 and therefore N1 by N2 is equal to D2 by D1, which is nothing but the velocity ratio. If we take the thickness of the belt into account, then the above expression can be written as N1 by N2 is equal to D2 plus T divided by D1 plus T.